The downloader app has already been wiped from the Google Play Store, and right now it's sitting on borrowed time on Amazon too. If Amazon pulls it from the App Store, millions of Firestick users won't be able to sideload a single app. No app, nothing. But here's what nobody's telling you. You are still safe today. Downloader still works on Firestick right now, and I'm going to show you exactly what to do before that changes. Because when it's gone, and you do not want to be caught without your apps already loaded. Stay with me, this is urgent. This video is for educational purposes only. Before we get into it, quick important note. Everything in this video is strictly for legal personal use only. Things like sideloading, productivity tools, browsers and apps that are simply not available through the Amazon App Store but are completely legal to use. The codes and methods I am sharing are publicly available and widely used by the Firestick community. I am not encouraging piracy, copyright infringements or anything that violates Amazon's terms of service. Always make sure you have the right to access the content you are streaming. If an app or service requires a subscription, pay for it. Use these tools responsibly. Now with that said, let's get into it. Okay, first, don't panic. Right now, as of today, Downloader is still live on the Amazon App Store. You can still download it, you can still use it, and all your existing installs still work perfectly. The reason people are worried is that Downloader was recently hit with the DCMA complaint and removed from the Google Play Store, which means Android phone users lost access to it completely. Now Amazon hasn't made any move yet, but the pattern is clear, and smart Firestick users are already preparing for the worst. That's exactly what the video is about. Here's why this matters so much. Downloader isn't just an app. It's the gateway to everything else on your Firestick. It's how you install entertainment apps. Basically anything that's not in the Amazon App Store. Without it, most people have no backup plan. And the scary part, if Amazon removes it, you won't get a warning. One day it's there. The next day it's gone from the store. And if you don't save the APK locally, you are starting from scratch. If you are new here, hit subscribe right now. This channel is dedicated to keeping your Firestick fully loaded, and videos like this drop every single week. So here's what you need to do today while Downloader is still working. Open Downloader right now and use these updated codes to sideload all your favorite apps. I want you to grab a pen and a diary. Yes, an actual diary. And write these codes down, because if Downloader disappears, you will already have everything installed and you will have a physical backup of every code. Here are all the updated codes. Go through the list one by one, sideload every app you use, save those codes somewhere safe, not just on your phone, not just in your head, write them down. And if you want the fastest, most reliable connection while running these apps, especially for entertainment apps, I always recommend using a VPN. The one I personally use is linked in the description below. It keeps you streaming private, stops buffering, and works perfectly on Firestick. Now if Downloader does eventually get pulled from Amazon, here's the good news. Because you watched this video and took action, you are already protected, your apps are already installed, and this channel will be the first place to cover any new sideloading methods the moment they arrive. There are already alternatives being tested right now, and I'll have a full video on those very soon. For now, watch this next video. I've already covered a backup sideloading method that works without Downloader at all. The link is on the screen right now. Don't skip it.